How to solve this nice square root problem? We have two solutions here. How fast can you solve this? Try it first. You have root 30 plus root 6 over root 30 minus root 6. From the first method 1, you can express it as root 5 times 6 plus root 6, then divided by, also we have root 5 times 6 minus root 6. Then from here, this follows when we have root a times b. We can separate it as root a times root b. That is, here, this becomes root 5 times root 6 plus root 6 over, also here we have root 5 times root 6 minus root 6. Then up here we have root 6 common. Factor it out. We have root 6 into brackets. We are left with root 5 plus 1 here, close bracket, then over. Also here, root 6 is common. We have root 6 out into bracket. This becomes root 5 minus 1, close bracket. That is, here, root 6 cancel each other here. And we have root 5 plus 1 over root 5 minus 1 here. The next step here, we rationalize this sort and multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate sort of the denominator, which is root 5 plus 1. So use this to multiply, and what we have becomes root 5 plus 1 multiplied by a conjugate, which is root 5 plus 1, also divided by this, also multiply the conjugate. That is, we have root 5 minus 1 multiplied by root 5 plus 1. Then this follows when we have a times a, same thing as a squared. And this same thing multiplying here. And write this as root 5 plus 1 all squared. Then over. This also follows when we have a minus b into brackets, a plus b, which can be expressed as a squared minus b squared. That is, here, a, that's root 5. We have root 5 squared minus 1b, that's 1 squared. That is, next step here, the expansion here follows when we have a plus b all square, which can be expressed as a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is, here we have root 5 square plus 1 square plus 2 times root 5 times 1 over root 5 square. Square cancel square root here, we have 5, then minus 1 square, that's 1. That is, here also square cancel square root, that's 5 plus 1 square 1, then plus, here the same thing as 2 times root 5, then over 5 minus 1, which is 4, which implies 5 plus 1 here, we have 6, then plus 2 root 5 over 4. Also, 2 is common, we have 2 into brackets. Here we have 3 plus root 5 left here over 4. That is, 2 goes here 1 and 2 goes here 2. What we have becomes 3 plus root 5 over 2. So we have this as a simplified form of the given problem. Then let's use the second method here. From here, we can rationalize directly. Multiply the numerator by the conjugate sort of denominator, which is also root 30 plus root 6. So use this to multiply the numerator and the denominator, and this becomes root 30 plus root 6 multiplied by the conjugate, which is root 30 plus root 6, then also divided by This also multiply. We have root 30 minus root 6 multiplied by root 30 plus root 6. Then next step here, we have same thing multiplying also a times a, which is the same thing as a squared. And what we have becomes root 30 plus root 6 all squared over this here also follows when we have a minus b into brackets, open bracket, a plus b, which is the same thing as a squared minus b squared. That is, we have root 30 square minus root 6 square. Also, expansion here follows when we have a plus b all square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is, here we have root 30 square plus root 6 square plus 2 times root 30 times root 6 all over. Here square cancel square root. We have 30 minus also square cancel square root, that's 6. Then from here, next step also square cancel square root, here we have 30 plus also square cancel square root 6, then plus. Yeah, we can bring this together. When we have root a times root b, write it as root a times b together. That is, here we have 2 times root 30 times 6, then over 30 minus 6 here, that give us 24. And next step we have 30 plus 6, that's 36, plus 2 times square root of, I write 30 as 5 times 6, then times 6 here, all over 24. Then, when we have root a times a, the same thing as a, root 6 times 6, that's 6, we take 6 out. At this here, we have 36 plus 2 times 6, then we have root 5 left over 24. Then next step we have this becomes 36 plus 2 times 6, that's 12, then times root 5 over 24. Then factor 12 up here. You have 12 into brackets. This becomes 3 and plus root 5 over 24 here. That is, here 12 goes here 1, 12 goes here 2. All we have becomes 3 plus root 5 over 2, which is same thing with what we have in the first method. Therefore, this given problem, we conclude that it's simplified to 3 plus root 5 over 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this tip. Subscribe for more videos. Turn the notification bell on. Share this video. Give it a thumbs up with your comment. See you next class and bye for now.